Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Nothing beats fresh churned butter. And this is so easy to use, my children can use it. Let me tell you about it.
So I gotta tell you, I'm a little bit of a hippie when it comes to fresh grown vegetables and making your own food and stuff like that. I just think that it's better for you. So when I heard about this butter churn, I had to try it. And then I figured out how easy it was, and now there's no going back. I will never buy butter again. I will continue to make my own. This was so easy to use and it was fun. It was very simple. You just put cream into the jar and then you twist the lid back on and then you start churning and you're making butter in no time. It was very easy to put the lid on and off. You tighten it a little bit and then the hand crank just goes. You can do it forwards or backwards. It did take about, I'd say 20 to 25 minutes of me and my daughter churning before it started to make some results, and it does work if you churn it really fast. You can see there that it's starting to make butter. So it is a process, but it's so fun and interesting to watch this happen. After it starts to clump, then you rinse it off and you shape it, and look at that, homemade butter. And it only took us about 30 minutes to make it. It's so much cheaper. It was so creamy and tasty. You can add salt, you can add herbs, anything you want to it to make it what you want. It was absolutely delicious.
This butter churn has been so much fun. It's given my kids a little science lesson and we got homemade butter out of it. You can't beat that, but that's just my point of view.